Today I'm checking out this roll of welding mat that was sent to me so I could do the review. Let's get it out of the box and check it all out. So in the box, you're gonna have this big roll of welding blanket and a manual. Now this one is the 5 foot by 150 foot roll, which says it's XU 198. And it's a roll of the welding blanket. And if you can see, my concrete here is really getting ugly because I do a lot of work in this area of our shop, and I wanted something that could take a beating that I can put on the ground. We do a lot of welding in this area, so I don't want it to be something where, you know, when the metal flies down, flux comes off, whatever it is, it's really hot metal dripping off of that when you're welding. I didn't want it to just melt through whatever kind of mat down here. So this welding mat should be able to not only help us with this situation of all of the grease and oils and everything that get on the floor, but also not fall to pieces when we're welding on it and get all melted up. So I'm gonna take this plastic off. We're gonna unroll it and see what the material looks like. All right, I got all the plastic and everything off. They had this thing double layered. They had it bubble wrapped and they had more plastic on it. So they definitely don't want to get it messed up in shipping. That's great. But this stuff is super tough. The great thing about welding mat is it's just almost indestructible. This welding mat, I felt on it a little bit when I pulled it out, and it honestly feels a lot like the mat you would put under your grill. So, and those are usually fireproof too. It's rubber coated, it's very thin, but it definitely looks like it's gonna get the job done. I plan on putting a couple strips of this on the ground for when I'm welding or doing work, but it's a 150 foot roll. So the other thing I plan on doing is, because I really like this mat, it has a good feel to it, I'm gonna use it for workbench toppings. So in my shop, I have 6 workbench spaces that are 4x8s. They have 4x8 pieces of plywood on them. And it's just plywood on there. And I would love it to have like a workspace or a workbench mat on top. This stuff is perfect for that. Again, indestructible, wipe it off with a towel. It's gonna work great for that. So 150 foot roll, it's gonna cover everything I need for the parking spot in my building, and it's gonna do all of the workbenches I need, and I'm still gonna have some of this left over, so. And look at this stuff up close. I mean, it's a rubber texture, like I said, just like a barbecue grill mat. It's not thick, so it doesn't like take up, it's not like some real heavy mat that's gonna be just a pain to move around. This stuff would be something that would roll up or fold really easy. You put it up when you're done with it and you pull it back out when you need it, and it's nice feeling. You could easily roll a roller on this, like if we are working on a car and the creeper would go over this really easy, and it's just really nice. I'm pretty impressed with it, to be honest with you. That's why I said I'm also gonna make workbench toppings out of this, because this is gonna be really nice. And it's a huge roll, it's thin, and look how much is on there. I mean, 150 feet by 5 feet wide. So yeah, I really like it. I think you will too. And I hope all this information was helpful. Thank you very much for watching. Y'all take care.